10 reasons to move to Bath, England. Imagine waking up to honey-coloured Georgian buildings, cobbled lanes, and the sound of church bells echoing over rolling green hills. Welcome to Bath, a city so beautiful it looks like it's been painted into existence. In this video, we're counting down 10 reasons to move to Bath, England, a place where history meets modern living in perfect harmony. Whether you're seeking peace, culture, or just a truly charming place to call home, Bath might surprise you with how effortlessly it combines the old and new. 10. The unforgettable history that shaped it. Bath isn't just a city, it's a living museum. Every street tells a story. From the ancient Roman baths that gave the city its name to the magnificent Royal Crescent that embodies Georgian grandeur. You're not just walking through time here, you're living in it. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. Even locals admit they never quite get used to how stunning it is. When you move to Bath, England, history isn't something you visit. It's something that surrounds you every single day. Fun fact, archaeologists estimate that Bath's thermal springs have been drawing people for nearly 2,000 years. Imagine soaking in the same healing waters the Romans once enjoyed. If you love places with soul and stories, this is reason enough to move here. 9. A compact city that's perfect for walking. If you're tired of long commutes or spending hours in traffic, Bath will feel like a dream. The entire city centre is wonderfully walkable. Most of what you need, from cafes and boutiques to historic landmarks, is within a 20-minute stroll. You can literally walk from the Royal Crescent to the River Avon, grab a flat white from an independent coffee shop, and still make it to your train on time. That's the kind of ease that makes life in Bath, England so enjoyable. It's not too big, not too small, just right. And here's the bonus. Bath's streets are so picturesque that walking around feels less like an errand and more like a photo shoot. Every corner is Instagram worthy, or if you're a YouTuber, B-roll heaven. 8. Gorgeous green spaces and countryside living. Bath offers something rare, a city lifestyle with a countryside heartbeat. Royal Victoria Park is right in the centre, perfect for picnics or quiet moments under ancient trees. Beyond that, you've got Alexandra Park with panoramic views and endless trails leading out to the Cotswolds. If you crave peace and greenery, you'll find it just minutes from your doorstep. Bath's setting in the Avon Valley makes it one of the most scenic places in southern England. And with wildlife, clean air, and seasonal beauty, it's an ideal place for anyone seeking a slower, more mindful way of living. No wonder so many people moving to Bath say it feels like they've found a little pocket of calm in a busy world. 7. A food and shopping scene that surprises everyone. You might expect a historic city to be all old pubs and tea rooms, and yes, Bath has plenty of those. But the food and shopping scene here is wonderfully modern and diverse. From artisanal bakeries and cosy cafes to Michelin-starred restaurants, Bath has a taste for everyone. You can browse handmade crafts in Green Park Station Market, shop for vintage clothes, or explore chic boutiques on Milsom Street. If you're a foodie or a fan of unique finds, living in Bath, England will keep your weekends busy and your Instagram feed deliciously full. There's even a thriving coffee culture, so whether you like your latte with oat milk or old-school sugar cubes, you'll fit right in. 6. Education that sets you up for success. Families love Bath for its outstanding education options. The city is home to excellent primary and secondary schools, as well as 2 top universities. The University of Bath and Bath Spa. University. The University of Bath is globally recognised for engineering, business and science, while Bath Spa focuses on arts and humanities. Together, they give the city a young, creative energy. For parents, this means great prospects for their children. For professionals, It means access to academic events, research opportunities, and a well-educated community. Education isn't just an institution here, it's part of the city's heartbeat. 5. Connections that keep you linked to the world. Although Bath feels beautifully self-contained, it's incredibly well connected. A quick 15-minute train ride takes you to Bristol, and London Paddington is just about 80 to 90 minutes away. The M4 motorway and Bristol Airport nearby make national and international travel easy. If you work remotely or occasionally need to commute to bigger cities, Bath offers the best of both worlds. The peace of small city living and the accessibility of a transport hub. For many people moving to Bath, England, this balance is the ultimate selling point. Serenity at home, yet the world at your doorstep. 4. Safety, cleanliness, and a strong sense of community. Bath consistently ranks among the safest cities in the UK. It's got a low crime rate for its size, and the community here genuinely looks out for one another. You'll often see neighbours chatting in the parks, helping with local events, or supporting small businesses. The city also takes pride in its cleanliness. You won't find heaps of litter or graffiti on every corner. For families, retirees, or anyone simply seeking peace of mind, that safety factor is a huge win. There's a real sense of belonging here, the kind that makes strangers quickly feel like friends. That alone is one of the most comforting reasons to live in Bath. 3. Architectural beauty that never gets old. It's impossible to talk about Bath without mentioning its architecture. It's breathtaking. The golden Bath stone, the sweeping crescents, the ornate terraces. It's like living in a painting. The Royal Crescent, the Circus, and Pulteney Bridge are not just landmarks. They're the city's identity. You'll find yourself pausing mid-walk just to take it in. Even ordinary streets look extraordinary. It's no wonder Bath has been featured in countless films and period dramas, from Bridgerton to Les Miserables. This beauty doesn't just attract tourists, it inspires residents. Many people moving to Bath say they feel more creative and calm simply because they're surrounded by beauty every day. 2. A cultural calendar that keeps life exciting. Bath may be small, but its cultural life is huge. There's the Bath Festival celebrating music and literature, the Jane Austen Festival that brings history lovers together, and countless theatre productions, exhibitions, and seasonal markets throughout the year. The Theatre Royal Bath regularly hosts top-tier performances, and the city's museums, including the Holborn and the Fashion Museum, make sure culture is never far away. From book clubs to art walks, you'll never run out of things to do or people to meet. For creatives, students, and curious minds, this cultural energy is irresistible. Life in Bath, England, is a steady rhythm of inspiration, one that turns even an ordinary week into something memorable. 1. A lifestyle that feels effortlessly balanced. And here we are, the number one reason people move to Bath, England. Balance. Bath offers a rare combination of beauty, culture, safety, and convenience, all wrapped in a slower, more human pace of life. You can work in a cafe that's centuries old, then unwind with a countryside walk minutes later. You can have a lively night out with friends, yet still wake up to birdsong instead of car horns. There's something incredibly grounding about that mix, and it's what makes Bath stand out from other UK cities. It's not a place you just move to, it's a place that reshapes how you live. 10 reasons to move to Bath. England isn't just about jobs, transport, or housing. It's about rediscovering joy in everyday life, and Bath has mastered that art. So there you have it, the charm, the calm, and the culture that make Bath one of the UK's most irresistible places to live. Whether you're chasing history, community, or a more balanced lifestyle, Bath welcomes you with open arms. And maybe, just maybe, a cup of tea by the Roman baths. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notifications.